head onto them at me not so well. Me not so well that one. Okay? But this guy sent me another video, look at it. Yeah, and I'm getting back on my feet anyway, mate. I'm getting back on my feet. Do you believe in me? I believe in me too. And my teachings. Top-notch teachings, okay? You can't imagine. You can't imagine. Okay, but we're all just lonely humans, mate. Just waiting to hate ourselves less, mate. Waiting and hating each other that way, okay? I can say that. It's beautiful, look at it. Yeah, at this point, we'll make the present the past and stay in love with ourselves. Let's do that. Give you 150 hugs, man. Yeah, that'll put a smile on your face and hair on your chest, mate. I can say that. Putting happiness in your heart too, okay? Yeah, tell you, I don't know if I always tell you, but sometimes I tell you, I've done it all, mate. I've done it all and all I can do for the cause, I can say that. I'm in a deep soul circle, like a cycle of bad will. Okay, and I wonder to myself, why am I so sad? Why is so sad, the Bushtick Mick? It's because I realized I'm still searching for happiness, okay? I'm not the face of the thing and the man behind the other thing, mate, but no one wants to harm me. No one wants to harm me for a lucrative financial opportunity that I can't even imagine. Okay? You can hit it, that's my fridge, it's broken. It's broken, I got a broken fridge ever since she left me. But you're all pretenders. You're all pretenders with no compassion, I can say that. I'm a winner. I'm a winner, you're a winner, Bushtick Mick. I'm the man who loves the woman who hates the man, I can tell you. Smelled by the ass fat of the elite 8Y. Sit and feel it, Bushtick Mick. That's what they said to me. Sit and feel it. Okay, but what does it feel like? It doesn't feel nice, that's what I said. Okay? You've reached your potential, they try to turn me. Okay? But who doesn't want to be free and in love? That's what I said to them. You don't know about that. Okay? But I'm in a hurry, mate, so I'll make this quick. I've been in the business too long, you see. I've been in the business far too long. I can only tell you what I told a young Bushtick Mick. I said to myself, your life is going to be like pure happiness on a stick, mate. You can't imagine. Okay? But I couldn't imagine the greatest sadness that would overcome me that way. The soothing sadness, I can tell you. That's how I come to you today. I'll come to you today that way. Okay? I wasn't always so soothing, mate. Okay? It took a lifetime of turmoil and misery. I can say that to you. I can say many things to you. All of them disturbing, mate, like that. Look at that. Look at that, mate. I'm not a marine biologist. I'm not a marine biologist that way, but I can tell you. That need to be harvested and protected. Put in like a museum that way. You can't imagine. You can't imagine that way. Look at it. Look at it. Yes. Yeah, that was another plane flying above me, mate. I can say that. I can say that to serve you, because they're reading my songs about loving me. Loving me that way. Caring. Care package. Drop it. Give it to me now, cause come on, I know you're up there. I know you're up there listening to me, right? Okay? I tell him that. I tell my uncle Scummer, mate. I know you're on holiday, mate.